Hey y'all, it's Monday morning and we welcome you to another edition of This Week at AMG. Please join us every week as we share with you what the Lord is doing around the world through AMG. Well, today it's my great pleasure to have with me Steve Turner. Steve is our new CFO and he comes all the way from Maine, where it's much colder this time of year, and he's glad to be here. He's in a very critical position at AMG, and it has been a blessing to work with him for the past few months. And he's going to share a little bit with us about his journey coming here and some things that we need to be praying for as we move forward.
Thank you, Tassos. Well, there's no question it's been quite an adventure to move here. As Tassos said, my wife and I have lived in Portland, Maine for the last 20 years. I had a great job there. We had friends and family and we're active in our church. But we both felt a calling from God that there might be something more He has in store for us. So we began to pray and to seek God's calling in our lives. One day, my phone rang, and while I didn't recognize the number, I decided to answer it. And it was a man who introduced himself as Paul Jenks. He said, "I'm from AMG International, and I got your name and number from one of our missionaries, and I would like you to come and visit us down in Chattanooga." So that was November of 2012, and my wife and I flew down to Chattanooga, and right away we fell in love with the people, with the ministry, with the area, and we both felt that God was calling us to come here. So after visiting Chattanooga, we accepted the position here. I quit my job and we sold our house and we moved our family down to Chattanooga. Well, I have a son who's 12 and a daughter who's 15, and as you can imagine, moving kids that age away from their friends, away from their school, it's just been real taxing on them. But God has been really strong in providing new friends, and we got involved in a new church down here that we love. We're involved in small groups, and they're involved in youth group, and God has just really blessed us in that area. And while the transition has been difficult, I think it's really brought us closer together as a family, and ultimately brought us closer to God. I mean, we really learned in that time that we need to seek God in all that we do, and that He will be our provider. He'll give us strength, and He'll ultimately be our Prince of Peace. So one of my responsibilities here at AMG, which I'm focusing on right now, is to put together a budget for 2014. And I'm working with the management team here, and our intent is to present it at our December board meeting. This is really different than anything I've done before, because this is my first time working for a faith-based organization. So I'm not trying to sell a product or a service. We're trying to reach people for Christ, which is a little different from my experience. But really, it's been awesome to learn about all the different ministries of AMG. There's over 30 different countries. There's from leprosy to radio ministries, from preschool to seminaries, from national workers to children's sponsorship, and it's just awesome to learn about all these ministries. And really, my goal here is to put together a budget that no matter what the level of giving, we can put together a sustainable ministry in each of these countries. So we're working together with Tassos and with the other management here to pull that together. And we recognize that God is really our true provider, that over the last 70 years He's raised up thousands of AMG partners, and that each one is very passionate about what we do here, and they support us. So I ask you to join us in prayer. Pray that God will continue to bless AMG. Pray that He'll continue to bless the partners of AMG, and that together we'll be able to move forward and share the love of Christ with the lost. Tassos?
Thank you, Steve. And thank you all for joining us. Please pray for Steve and all our leadership team. We want to follow God's direction as we make our plans for next year. More than ever, the world needs the gospel, and we want to follow where God is leading and share the good news with as many people as possible in the world, and show His love to as many people as possible. So please be praying with AMG, and if you would like to know more about opportunities and about needs that are around the world, please go to our website, and there you'll find more information. Well, thank you for joining us, and we hope to see you again next week at This Week at AMG.